That we're making right now?
Chocolate cake.
Chocolate cake
Yeah.
in a pan.
In a fry pan.
On top of the stove.
Top of the
Top of the
stove.
stove.
Okay.
Well, I've got to think what I'm doing here now.
Come watch. You're gonna have to teach your kids to carry on tradition.
Well, you actually are next in line to take over.
Your father is.
I don't know what I'm doing here with such
Yeah, put the pressure on.
pressure.
Okay, so what's the measurements of this one?
You ask your mom.
Mom,
Here.
like what's...
It's,
I need to know what's in all these things before I...
Okay,
So we'll just keep going.
chocolate cake frying pan. 1/2 cup of butter, 1.5 cups of sugar, 2 eggs unbeaten, 2
Gotta
cups
hair net.
sifted. 2 cups sifted cake flour, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup sour milk or buttermilk, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 2 squares bitter chocolate, 1 teaspoon soda, and 1 teaspoon of vinegar.
but it's changed a little bit. Because I haven't got the chocolate. I used cocoa.
Cocoa powder.
So I put a little bit more butter in there, in here, and the cocoa with the flour. So it's a little change. But that doesn't mean we're supposed to be doing that.
No measure the one trouble.
So run webcam.
You're the one who cares.
So what's in there right now? Just
Sugar and butter,
sugar and butter?
and you cream it.
Okay.
Well, where's my recipe? I need it. Thank you. Add eggs one at a time. Oh, almost all got on me. You don't put that in the movie, do you?
No.
Oh, it's gone.
Edited already.
What are you putting in there now?
After I got the cream, sugar, and butter, I put the egg in one at a time.
That's the way you did the buns.
Yep.
Never got the buns made though.
Not yet. We're waiting for a full DVD.
Oh.
material.
And a full kitchen to do it in.
Have you figured out where to set your plate on that stove?
Don't ask
lads?
me some simple questions right now.
Well, you better know before you get started.
How do you sour milk?
How do you sour milk?
Yeah,
Put in the oven.
Put vinegar in.
vinegar. Up in there, please.
Well, this trivia long.
Yeah, Jesus. A teaching lesson right there. How do you sour milk? Answer, vinegar.
I used to be able to make the cake all by myself, and I made all these.
Well, so you do that.
Yeah.
Yeah, when Auntie first heard him tell me that he was making this cake on top of the stove, I thought he was losing it. But it turned out great.
Who knows how to make homemade icing now and who doesn't?
I mean,
We have the recipe for that. Just eggnog. Freeze it.
Vanilla behind you.
I don't even have
You want the white or the dark?
all in my head.
Vanilla that's right at the front.
You want the one with the turkey on it?
Yep.
Chicken? Here.
Thank you.
What's that?
Turkey, you know?
Or the chicken.
Right. Got the bulk on
Now, you're supposed to be talking into this.
I've got to think what I'm doing. Somebody else can talk.
She meant you.
You know,
Well, since you've already made this cake millions of times, why don't you tell us what's happening?
It's mixing right now. All in the mixing.
Sour milk.
So what did you just add right there? Anything?
polka and the flour. And this is sour milk. And the vanilla's been added to it.
I don't think they're learning now, yeah, they should be doing it. You learn by doing.
Well, this is learned by seeing.
Aluminum. Making gels on
You alternate that flour and the sour milk.
We have another dish. Oh,
That
I don't know.
recipe come with those pans, those pots and pans, I think, so. You can try it with any other one that's probably work.
that's probably where the recipe comes.
It's something to do with the way it distributes the heat. Through the aluminum and across the top.
I need the soda behind you, please.
You just got this.
Baking
What?
soda, can you get in there with
I don't remember.
same place?
Baking powder.
I don't
Baking
even
soda.
remember making it.
Back
I
at the
used
back
to
there,
make it
that
all
little.
the time, but, what she's talking about. Probably made it at the farm.
Thank you.
We never had a lot of time with that.
You wanna work this?
How do you look? Oh. Now you're supposed to be talking. She just put baking soda in.
Yeah.
Martha, speak up.
Martha's got to be thinking what she's doing here.
Put this up on YouTube, we'll figure out how many hits this is gonna get.
Who knows, she could be invited to Martha Stewart's show.
You're on laid awake different nights worrying about this.
You're worried about this one, wait till the next one.
I don't know.
You have to worry about the next one.
Oh, it's getting near done. I think it could have stood some more coca. What do you think, Diane?
crusty stuff off.
Because it doesn't seem to be as dark as it should be. See, that's where the chocolate, you'd have to be better, but I never did use it much. Come out of there. That'll be very good.
So if you use the chocolate, it makes it darker, right?
I think a shade, yeah, would. But it went real dark before when I made it. But other time, get off of there. Now this is a real tricky part of it too.
So what do you do now?
Put a tablespoon of vinegar. We'll run that through the water there and to get that coke off, please. This I have to be fast at.
What was that? Vinegar and...
Vinegar and soda. It's in the recipe there, that. And that's it. I'll wash my hands and get my fingers in.
Move that.
Oh, okay.
So Luke, you're doing the next one on Wonderberry jam?
Be a wonder if it turns out jam.
Funny. Well, tell them your dad made the last one.
Oh, well, you'll have to tell your dad then, and he's on the next list to do the next video. It was off on yours.
We still eat it though.
Well, yeah, I agree. And then
Please don't take this
after
with
that,
me, my
we'll,
fingers.
Alright.
She's licking it.
Tastes good.
After that, do like to.
Strawberry, the Wonderberry jam that we could videotape Grandpa cutting the lawn.
I don't know why the heck I didn't have Calvin doing
John
this.
Deere riding tractor.
You used to make
Well,
them.
actually,
Why is he to do it? These kids don't want to.
He made it. He used to make it. If I had company coming and I couldn't get everything done,
That's news to me. I don't remember that.
the kids, well, you were always working out something.
Did you sour the milk?
I don't remember that part.
You don't remember this part.
No.
I don't remember the vinegar either.
oh, you just don't have a good memory. It's right on the recipe.
Fingers were made before forks or anything else.
But you must have used cocoa back then. You didn't have chocolate. in the
No, I
house.
didn't. I used coca. That's what got me into using this coca.
So you don't have to preheat the stove or anything?
Nope.
There's the finished product.
No, you cut
Well.
the commercial and then come back and the cake's done.
Oh, what was that?
Okay. Top oven, medium speed. Now, I'm not sure about this stove.
Well, that's what I was telling you. You should be practicing.
And it's down there, but there's high and there's low. It's halfway between. For 10 minutes.
You have to have the same kind of oven too. It doesn't work on any other oven.
Yeah.
What's 10 minutes from now?
306.
Yeah.
And the stove? Oh, we're looking at the stove.
Well, there's heat there. There we are.
Sure, beef there.
So you just don't check it or anything?
Not,
finishing
off of this.
you're finished. Oh, not like that.
You failed, but
I think some just
You
threw
give it a
into the
little
cake.
crack. And you make sure which way the crack of the walnut is.
Judd, you could do
There's
finished
still some-
product. You don't even
Crack
it's in
it,
a
I've never
square
used this
pan.
before.
Oh dear. Yes.
There we go, it's finished.
Take her face. I'm gonna wheel you back.
Was this the backup in case didn't work?
Yeah,
or-
that was the back. This is the back.
The no faith.
This piece has it right there.
What?
Bacon wonderberries, if they got wonderberries with them.
There, yeah.
she's,
Oh, she's serious, but she don't even wanna look at it.
There's some on this side.
well,
Don't make her.
Take away this
where,
part here.
does she have a plan where to go, or?
No. Can't go any place where you get some money for this.
Yeah, but if you sell, then you're under the
Okay, so
gun.
now what? You just turn it to low
I turned it to low and leave it. It's cooked.
For an hour.
for an hour?
Don't bang her, not at once. Don't bang her.
So you didn't take the lid off?
Not yet.
Okay.
Not till that gets pretty solid. Then it's safe to take it out,
So
maybe.
do we need to wipe that there?
No, I wouldn't touch it.
No, on the stove.
Well, I'll just leave it, because I haven't scraped it. Down there.
Yeah, there, now you're right
Just
up
keep
at the
holding
ball.
And I don't swing as hard.
Yeah.
Nice.
That's natural.
Natural pro.
Oh,
Ooh, in a deep breath.
in the deep breath.
Oh, out of bounds.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
You gotta go again.
I have to go again. And hold that thing down.
Press A once.
Don't hit it so hard because the dot and move over again.
Like
Use,
the arrow.
Where do I move it here?
Just to the right a little bit. This one. That's probably good, eh?
Winds are like 2 miles an hour.
Oh, that's a little one, yeah. So you,
Oh, and I have to hold it down when I do
Yeah.
that.
yeah.
Yeah.
That's perfect. Back on.
Rough again.
That's the good rough.
That's a good rough.
Okay, now who?
Is that me?
No, it's a player two.
Uncle.
Oh,
Go and go. That's your next.
thank you. How are we doing? How's our cake doing? Okay.
Oh, I'm watching the time.
You're right with you, girl.
Oh, we're in the same spot.
So that's me?
Yeah.
So I don't have to move anywhere. I'm right there. I can just hit. Right? Harder than that.
Why are you using the driver?
That's just what it assigned her. Driver, yeah.
Driver out of the rough, I don't know. Use an iron.
It'll work. Maybe, yeah, press up on the keypad.
Right there?
Or down, actually.
Okay. Ooh, that's too hard. Perfect. Oh,
It's still good.
No,
though.
you're on the phone.
this is funny.
That's fun, eh?
I really didn't know what this Wii was all about when.
Start hearing about it.
Brad, did you ever play this before?
No. I played that one Pirates of the Caribbean one, not very good at that store, but
Oh, really?
was it?
On the green.
I was playing Rock Band on Friday night.
Yeah, you were saying?
Yeah.
Oh, it looks like it's done.
Can I eat that?
You can eat this, yes. You like that? That's what the kids
This-
would like.
This part?
Yeah.
There's also that if you want.
Now this is kind of hard part for me.
Okay, well, I'll help. So now what we do? I'll do it if you want, Grandma.
Well, I kind of hate to tell you how to do it.
And then, oh,
Wow! Holy smokes! Oh, it's my lucky day.
it turned out.
Look at that.
Super.
Wow.
Boy, oh
Because it
boy.
poured over the edge of the pot and then she scraped it around. That's what I mean.
Big
Looks
disaster.
great, Grandma.
No.
Nice
Great,
work.
nice.
Big
Look at
disaster.
it. No, it's not a disaster at all.
Wait till Grandpa comes out here. Is
Above your bullet.
he awake now?
Yeah, he's away.
Come look at this.
I just
I
couldn't
see it.
believe that coming out.
That's the first one.
See, I haven't left much
The other
side
one
on
was
this
good,
side
it just
for
didn't all
icing,
come out in
but
one
Oh,
chunk.
that's okay. No, we'll
I
just
didn't
let
get
it.
it in there even.
We'll just let it cool off, and that's our dessert for
Yeah.
I have to
supper.
get icing
want
I
that
made
back?
now.
She won on the whole thing.
I
Every
got icing.
ticket
We'll
has
just use
it.
the icing that I brought in
One,
and use that
two,
icing on that.
Have you
three,
got it?
Oh, I just
Oh, you
brought
won
up the full
50.
container. I don't
Grandma.
know.
15.
Grandma, the fourth, you won 4 on there.
She
You
won
won
all of
15
them.
bucks.
Oh, I didn't look at that. I just looked at the three.
I can't get over it.
I don't see
Nice.
that.
It is your lucky day.
How many do you think you win? Three, that's all we're paying for.
Hey, Grandma.
Scratch that
Oh,
one.
gee whiz, maybe I won
No,
1,000
she's
then.
gonna sit back in this chair where she was. It was a lucky chair.
I didn't turn that oven.
Oh, the-
Or stove on, please. Thank you. I've won 15, you
Scratch
said.
one of those card
One on
things from
every
each
one.
table.
Thank you.
Where did you win on this one?
100, what's that mean?
Oh, right there.
7,
There.
7,
And that one right across.
12,
See back for playing instructions.
12.
And then this one.
Scratch both.
So she won 15.
Now, where do you scratch on this? That one?
Yeah. You can win.
Or
You get the sevens, or you get three of a kind, I think. Oh, she won another two.
Who picked these tickets?
Jeez.
You picked the best ones, didn't you?
Somebody go out and buy some more tickets.
How did I
Two,
win
two, and two.
Oh,
So you got
what's
three of
these?
it. Those, that's a 5, and that's a 1, and that's a 50. But you got three of a kind, like one,
Oh,
three of
three
it.
twos, yeah,
three,
okay.
2. So you won. I
You're
don't
gonna
know
read this.
exactly
So
what you won.
scratch the.
Is that the second one?
Yeah.
Hey,
Oh.
I don't know, Aaron.
Now
Can you read this?
scratch
I can't see
the
this.
dealer's
It's too
hand right
small for
there.
me to read.
The dealer's hand.
She wins $2, right?
3 identical prize amounts, you win that prize amount.
Yeah. So she won $2 there.
Good.
they put those things over the computer, they know what you
Yeah,
won
you
right
did.
away.
Yeah, you did bring that too. Because you only got 8 and 3.
Oh, she's got to scratch those there to find out. See if she.
I thought you just scratched one.
No.
2 20s so far. 2 twos.
Oh, you beat. Isn't this, Aaron, where you beat the dealer? You win?
Yeah.
Well, she did. This is 19, that's 20. The 20 and the.
Oh my word.
Scratch that one.
She's
So
won
she
on
won
every
$2.
single ticket.
Watch, scratch that one yet.
21, watch, it's 21, 21. It's another 20.
No, it's
Oh, it's
18.
No, it's 18. So
Would've
you
been
won
$10.
$4.
It would have been
$4.
$1,000 too if you wanted.
So you win $4 because you got those. You
won on
beat
every
the
single
dealer.
one.
Plus
So
she
now
had
you
the
win the
bonus,
bottom.
she hasn't even
Yeah, you haven't
bonus.
even scratched
Scratch
the
the
bonus. If it's an ace, you win $10.
No, it's a 0.
It's a queen. But now you play this one. That's another hand. Or you have to scratch the deal. That what you have to do.
Holy smokes, how many tickets does she have left to scratch?
Oh, she
Pretty
has
few.
1, 2, 3, 4 left.
21.
Oh, she's got 21 on this one. And 19 was the deal.
Yeah, you got
What?
$2.
I got
Another $2.
Another $2.
Boy, these are good cards. Whoever bought them.
My
I
turn.
did.
You want on this lucky sevens too?
Yes. She wanted every one.
Every one of them.
Yes.
She's won on that one, she won on that one, she won on that and
I'll
that.
go. I need this one.
Somebody go buy some more cards. Set for life. Few of 'em.
$5. She just won $5. Right off the hop.
Boy, I sure like these cards are getting better all the time.
Seriously, something's going on here.
Okay.
Somebody go
Each
buy
one-
some cards.
Each one, she's won.
Maybe we'll have enough for her to go out for supper, eh?
No, we have some.
No, another
night.
Another Don.
You have to go to the bar. You need 3 cherries there.
She'll
This
get
has
it,
got a
don't
wet
worry. She'll
pin
get
up
the
to.
cherries.
Horseshoes.
I don't think there's anything there.
Three of a kind there.
Yeah. Not.
I think there's,
Let's see.
is there one more row?
Oh, there's another row.
Yeah, there's another row.
Yeah, I see that now.
I'll keep down here too.
What's that mean?
Oh, that's just the code.
verification.
And a prize here I scraped too?
Yeah,
That's what
well,
if you would've
if
won.
you would have won, you'd have won $1.
Would have been $1.
But you could
Still
go
scratch the bonus.
20.
Oh, that one was a dud.
The
Okay.
first dud.
Big birthday present.
Yes. Now what's
Pot of
this?
gold.
This is 10,000. Oh,
That was 15.
We'll be able to retire if you get that.
a bonus.
No,
I
yeah,
scraped the bonus, do I?
So
Good.
you haven't phoned your dad yet?
Says good here.
It's good.
Good luck.
Good luck. Well, you have to scratch the spot to find out.
That is really.
Oh, I only got 2 $1,000.
No, that one's a dud too.
No. No, this is a car, is it?
Yeah, you can win that.
Mm-hmm.
We need a
That's
new
good.
car.
This is good.
Road signs. Scratch them.
That's mine.
2 5s.
No.
Running out of
Luck?
luck here.
Yeah.
That's okay. It's 20
Yeah, I know.
bucks.
How much altogether?
Another strike, Aaron, no big deal.
No,
Car, 2 cars.
all different.
No car.
No card.
No.
What do we do with the new one?
Still like 28
Okay,
bucks.
28
Oh my
bucks.
goodness.
So these three are no good. And take those in to get
Well,
cash.
thank you all, everybody.
We had fun watching you.
Take them into the,
Is this your 25 cents, Luke?
What? Yeah. Yep.
take those into,
Nice. Where?
the pharmacy and they'll tell you what you got right away.
Yeah. Nice
They
one.
run
Did you say
everything through the
28?
machine.
28.
My goodness.
Run the other ones through the machine.
This is the icing.
The icing.
Made by the next generation.
Give me one, please. I haven't had one for a long time.
I just have to remember to just to suck on this one.
You need this in a 2-liter jug?
No, I need to get the 4-liter because
Well, Walmart's the only one out here does it.
we
I like that.
we can
Hang on
get
to it.
them on in that, but I find we run out faster and I'm going, oh, still have any milk. But if I find the 4-liter, then I'm good for
We always have it near
She's
the fridge.
talking just like
I know.
manual one.
I know, I've done that, but I find it's still not enough for us to do it.
You're gonna go through a 2-liter in 2 weeks.
What is this?
Making icing.
Icing trick?
Icing shirt.
I don't know if he doesn't drink milk. Cereal.
I don't use it like
Milk.
Then I use it on
some punch in there, Charlie.
What's the measurements on this?
Just a couple of dashes.
Couple dashes. What's that, a metric again?
Now you have to icing the cake.
That's like cleaning your the things with your hands.
Next, we'll be Grandpa making his toffee. Christmas toffee.
Well, Heather and Jill and Audrey and I shall take that Sunday off. I won't remember yours. You'll let me know a different time.
I said, is there a calendar for 2009?
With the back part, I don't know. They'll take the whole calendar down and see.
If you have one at home that shows.
It's not highlighted.
Because you don't know, changes every year.
I could go on the computer and then I'll give you the
My
calendar.
guess? It'll be the 26th.
Of March.
32nd. 26th, 32nd.
Yeah,
That's my
okay,
guess.
you know, not too bad hitting girl.
Yeah, because it was very early
It's
this year.
based on the phases of the moon and the spring solstice, the spring equinox.
Yeah,
I don't know that in school this year.
You ever see a Ukrainian cookbook? You got it?
Yeah, bought one, but not by,
Do you
got a
remember?
Dauphin one, I think. Dauphin or,
This is from Stacy and Michelle, and you guys had to give me a book too.
I think that was it.
that one's it.
Yeah, Maybank.
You kidding?
And I think I have another one. Are you kidding?
Yeah, I know. I mean, so.
Yeah.
And then try to make one for Hastings too, Chad, or?
Yes,
Pretty sure.
Hastings.
Why is this element on?
Oh, you turned off.
Thank you, Aaron. I'll check mine.
Yes.
My brother made a cake for my mom and he thought that the container that he was using the iced the cake with cream powder frosting. And we're eating it and like, this isn't very sweet. And then we figured out later that he grabbed a small container and the one size bigger was the
This is actually quite humorous to watch.
It was not a sweet cake at all. It was just like, oh, is that a good shot?
You're gonna actually hit him in the head if you don't watch out.
One more punch.
Oh, I got another label for after.
Come on, hit him.
Yeah. I win. Oh. Yeah. Woo. Right here.
He takes his Listerine bottle and he takes a swing of this and starts gargling with it. And it was bluing.
Oh, you God.
His mouth was all blue.
I didn't know that. He didn't tell me.
And he says he doesn't remember. I remember you asked me.
Oh.
I don't remember we went to school or not because
So we'll
I
have that.
don't remember.
I'll buy on.
Repeat.
How much do we need, Mom?
Oh, that's thing to watch. Yeah. I can give you a little thing.
Turkey. Looks good. Looks warm.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
What do you think?
Smells good.
What do you think?
Make it green.
From your professional
Can I stir it?
judgment, is it enough?
That's a good spreader.
Yeah, I'd say so.
So Grandma, can I put this on the stove?
You might not
now
want
that
to
it's
ice
on
the
for
sides, just pour it all in the center and then
Why
it
not?
just dribbles over the
You
edges.
can ice it. I don't
No,
want to ruin
no.
that top on there.
It's all you.
Nothing either, but
All you.
You can turn it off.
I don't know how to.
And I'll just take the turkey out and
That one will be easy to ice
pop
because
it back in the oven
it
and make
won't
it
come
ready.
off like those ones there.
do you want to put that turkey in or something?
That
I'm
one
gonna
gets
just put it
really
in the
moist
lid.
on the top.
Okay.
Because it's got the racks and stuff.
This one has to be a little bit stiffer or else it'll fall off the sides.
No, I just wanted to
Not yet, no.
heat the turkey right through and make the gravy.
Yeah, I'm coming out.
We're gonna come.
Okay, Aaron, you want to test this? I'm using it anyways, but you can test it.
Looks
Looks
good.
good.
Now, Grandma, do we have any foil? Little
Do
bit
you
of
think
foil?
you think it's icing sugar?
Aluminum foil?
Yeah,
Yeah.
so I can put
You want-
this in the
Yeah.
and cover it back up.
Is it too warm? No, that'll be good.
Okay. I'm gonna blame somebody.
Really, that was a fancy vehicle that went out and made such a noise.
There, that stays warm. Take the carrots and that stuff out of there first.
Oh, you got carrots?
Carrots and onion and stuff.
The only thing Martha's got on me is a little bit of age.
Oh, she's younger than me.
Keep telling yourself that.
And a clean record. Yeah.
I just need some potato water when I get this all
You
done.
know, I could just about see Grandma Halstead if she was living, looking down at just now, grinning and grinning.
Why'd she make this all the time?
No. When we got the set of pans, we got the pots and everything. And that was our first set of pots and pans.
Okay.
And the recipe came with it.
Oh, really?
And I tried it.
After. For now. So how old is this recipe then? Well, yeah, I told you.
50.
Do you want me to start looking?
Yeah,
I'm not sure.
start looking. She's got it written down.
No, no way. You know what?
Who's outside?
What you gotta do is get Mom to cut this and learn how to cut it.
Grandma will cut it.
Because it's got a special.
So, Grandma will cut it when we're ready.
Chad, I need you to lift
Yeah.
that box, or that.
What's that?
So that can't get thrown out ever.
No.
It's history.
Bible. Well, that's 77 in a way, and I think we have another one. So those things will be before that. You want to have a look at that?
And another scribbler.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to take a look at this sometime.
Yeah.
Teeth.
That's
$100.
77. We were still married for 30 some years. So
Wow.
we got that pots and pans. That was our first set. And where I'll have a thing of it, I'm not sure.
Maybe we have another book that you guys used to
Well,
have.
I know I have.
You got bungee balls?
Yeah, outside.
Is that the ones that curve?
Yeah,
Those
no,
are the balls that you
No.
throw at the little white one.
you've played that before at our house. The round balls.
That is looking fantastic.
It looks great.
Did you?
You find it.
Be a little more sarcastic. Is that what you're saying?
No,
No, it looks good.
I know. I wasn't meaning it sarcastically.
And our
Just
our
sounds
first
like
set
it,
of
doesn't it?
pots and pans, that fry pan came with it.
Yeah, that's wherever.
Yeah, but I can't find the.
Hey?
Wonder if
Can't
Grandma put
find the
any
book, the other book.
Oh,
any money in here.
You remember that?
There's,
I used to put money in
Wax
when the
paper?
kids had a birthday.
Oh yeah, we had those too.
Yeah.
We were talking
In
about that
bocce
the
ball,
last
when you're
time.
throwing the balls, does it alternate who shot?
at our
What'd you
farm.
do with the other one?
Scored.
The one
Is it
that's,
whoever shot, the other person goes till they're shot?
What's this one?
We have one other dish that you cook corn in. What do you do
Well,
with it?
whoever scored goes first,
And it just
and then
alternates, right?
and then it alternates.
Yeah, it's like curling, that's what I thought.
He remembers me putting money on the cake when their birthdays come along.
I remember one time Uncle Arnold and Aunt Marion lived across in that quarter where we had. And they put money in the cake and nobody got the money. The hired man got it and didn't say anything. Sure, he used to wrap a nickel in that.
Oh, I thought you meant somebody like swallowed it.
Oh,
Where's the money?
Put a nickel
Wax
in a
paper.
wax paper.
yeah.
Where? Oh, here's this. This is one here. This one. That's the one I'm looking for. That's the other wherever.
Your mom had.
No, you had that. That's part of.
That Frank
That's
had,
part of your.
I don't
right
think
here.
so.
This
It is
Frank-
so.
Frank
Wherever
had is
underneath.
Well, you asked Ron, I think we sent all those old pots and pans down with the camper.
No, you.
No,
got
we
some of
did
them.
not.
We've
That
got-
is.
You fought it?
Yeah, we've
Okay.
got, we've
And
got
you've
some,
got-
we've got some, Heather's got the big pot, and then I've got a couple of the small pots, and he
Okay.
takes them when he goes.
Where did
hunting.
you go? I thought she wanted the recipe from my chappie.
We did,
Have you got it?
no, we didn't,
It's in that
we forgot, actually.
that box.
good.
All done.
We said we'd make it when you did the making. We
Gee,
had to
that
come
just
back
looks so
over.
good.
Do you remember how to cut it?
Oh, yeah.
We're gonna finish
I
paper
cut it the
cutting
last time
it,
like that.
It's
so I gotta make my gravy here.
But these accounts, where's the older accounts? And it'll be in there when we bought that set of pots and pans.
I don't think you have no older than that.
77?
What year did you go back to?
76.
Oh,
Oh, way before
It's
that.
way before
way
that,
before
yes.
that.
I know you had another book.
I think we went to Johnny Giesbright's and there was some salesman out.
Yes, there was a salesman out.
Well, and we
Broken
bought it. And that
finger.
was, I think when we were married in 43,
46.
And
It's your anniversary today, you know.
it must have been soon after that. And I'm sure it was Johnny Giesbright's we went to. And they were buying them too. And it was wherever. And that was, well, it's aluminum.
And Grandma, what are you doing? Whoa, what's that?
Boy, or did you cut that? Most people just cut it from these.
Well, you've learned something today, see?
That's just a guarantee you didn't get too big of a piece. It's the restrictor.
See, that's a quarter.
This is gonna be a smaller piece, I can see that right now.
A longer knife.
And this is a star in the center here. Do you want it all cut?
Yep.
Sure. Everybody gets to take some home. That includes you too, Luke.
He didn't finish his dinner.
Yes, I did. I'm scratching the
God,
nails
Tina.
off. Tina, eat your dinner.
Well, I hope nobody ever comes to measure these pieces because they're not even.
These guys might want to measure it.
With your
They might do
rocks,
so
tape measures.
particular here.
Okay, now you gotta take an overview shot of it. Oh, look at it. Whatever, before she...
Very nice,
Nice.
Looks great.
Super. Okay, dish out the first one.